Hi everyone, today we're going to make Bourekia mikima, which is meat-filled pastries. For the pastry, you'll need 1 cup of oil, 2 cups of Greek yogurt, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and whisk that together. I added a little bit of olive oil because it was a bit stiff, then slowly add 800 grams of plain flour, bring everything together and leave to rest while the filling is cooking. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 onions diced, salt, mix everything together, add some pepper, some cumin and cinnamon, and break down 500 grams of pork mince. Cook that on a medium heat for 10 minutes, and then add half a bunch of parsley and turn off the heat. Leave to cool for 10 minutes. To make the dough, take a ball and flatten it with the palm of your hand. Press down with your fingers and then shape it with a cutter. You don't have to do that bit, I just prefer that. Then add a tablespoon of filling, fold over, press down with your fingers and seal with a fork. So again, fold over, press down with your fingers and seal with a fork. And then put them on a grease-proof lined tray. Brush them with egg wash and cook for 20 minutes at 180°C fan. They're delicious golden pastries filled with meat. They taste really good served with some tzatziki on the side, and they last a couple of days in the fridge. This recipe made 28. Enjoy!